Hey guys, it's DaYeetBoi, and in this video, I'll be showing you guys the fastest way of moving around on a shark. This technique is really easy to master and is extremely useful. But before we get started with the video, YouTube told me that 99.4% of you guys who watch my videos are not subscribed. I'm trying to reach 10k subs by the end of the year, so it would help a lot if you guys could drop a sub. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started with the video. So this technique is mainly based on having good timing. What you are first going to want to do is jump and then boost as quickly as possible. This will make the boost around double what it usually is. The second step to this technique is jumping again at the end of the boost. You will want to do this as late as possible in the boosting process, so by the time you jump back in the water, the boost will have regenerated. Once you get this down, you should only either be jumping or boosting, since that is the fastest way of traveling on a shark. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.